Hey guys, I'm Larry and welcome to yet another exciting video. I'm going to be giving the full review of the Tecno Pouvoir 2 which I unboxed about a week ago, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway to a lucky subscriber to win this device. So if you want to be a lucky subscriber, just follow the instructions in the description of the video and hope you win. Without further delay, let's get started with the review. So let's get started with the review. If you've not seen the unboxing video, my first impression video, please I would advise you to do so. The link will be available in the description, and also a card will be available above to link you to the video. So what do I think about the device, or what is the truth about the Tecno Pouvoir 2? Well, it's an awesome design when you look at the body and the finishing. It has a premium finish that makes it look expensive and makes it look as if the device is not just a power device. But nobody can expect it to be a power device, especially with the thinness of the device. It's very thin. You can never believe this battery, or this phone has a 5000 mAh battery. So what is the most common question I've been asked about this device? What is the charging period? I've been asked this question a lot of times. What does it take to charge the device from 0% to 100%? And I did a test for this, and I found out that it takes about 2 hours 30 minutes to charge this device from 0% to 100% while switched off. So if your phone is turned on and you're chatting, you're working on your phone and you're charging also, it will take longer than 2 hours 30 minutes to fill from 0% to 100%, of course. But I turned off mine to know the exact period without disturbance, and it was about 2 hours 30 minutes. So it's not so bad if we look at it. Well, according to Tecno, they say the device will last for 96 hours on standby. You need to understand what standby means. Standby means you keeping your device and not using it for more than 4 days. Yes, 4 days, which is not possible. I noticed that it took me about a day plus for me to totally drain the battery on normal usage, not heavy usage. Heavy usage will take you about a day. So if you're thinking of getting a device that can last that long, this is for you. The 5000 mAh battery works well. And another question I've been asked a lot is, does the device come with a fast charge technology? No, it does not come with a fast charge technology, but it comes with a fast charger, because the charger outputs 2 amps instead of the normal 1 amps you get from your normal chargers. So you should understand that, and if you're trying to replace the charger, you should get a charger that outputs 2 amps instead of the 1 amps we get on normal chargers. Now, if we talk about the camera quality, what is the image quality? Well, you can't expect the best from this kind of camera due to the budget price, the range of the device, and the processing of the images is not quite good as most premium device. But what do you get? Well, you get an average picture. You can't expect to get the best, but you get a nice picture, not too saturated, not too overexposed, of course. The phone comes with a 10 megapixel rear facing camera with a dual LED flash and 8 megapixel front facing camera with the LED flash. Now, using this camera, I highly suggest that you turn off the HDR mode, especially when you're taking selfies at night or when you're taking selfies indoors. Even outdoors, you can turn that off. Make sure you know how to use the camera well to your advantage for it to serve it well. So you just need to know the right settings for you to be able to work with this device, this camera. But I found it to be okay and perfect for the price range, of course. Well, there are certain features in the front camera that does not work properly or does not work perfectly, such as the portrait mode. It needs some update to be able to cover some of the background and some, should I say, leakage in some areas, like I explained in the first impression video. So are you a mobile gamer? You're looking for a phone to install your mobile games such as PUBG and other raining games. Well, you can't do high graphics games with this device. I tried to play PUBG with this device and it didn't just work out well at all. I was unable to play. The lagging was just too much. But normal popular games such as Candy Crush and other average graphics games goes well with this device, so you have no issue with that. But if you are mainly concerned about those top graphics games, well, you may likely have an issue with it because lagging is just unbearable. The Pouvoir 2 still comes with some nice features such as the eye care, which helps you to use your phone at night and makes you sleep well. I talked about this in a separate video which I'll link in the card above, just for you to be able to use your phone properly and not get your phone to disturb your eyes while you sleep. Also, the phone comes with a multi-window which makes you use 2 applications simultaneously. This works well. I tried it out and it works well. The phone also comes with a one-hand feature. The phone is a 6-inch device, which makes it very difficult for just one hand to cover every single angle. This one-hand feature makes it easy for you to get every single place you want to with just by using one single finger or one single hand, sorry. Now let's talk about streaming YouTube and audio. Well, the device comes with one speaker, downward facing speaker, which is another disadvantage, I must say. But if you look at it, the trend of mobile device from 2016 to 2018 comes with a down facing speaker, and while playing games on this device, you end up noticing that your hand is covering the speaker and you will not be able to get the proper audio where you want it. But apart from that, the speaker sounds nice, as you can see. And when it comes to the video quality, it's nice. The resolution of the mobile device is 1440 by 720, which is okay. You can stream on YouTube at 720p without issues, but you can't go above that. And you notice that when you are streaming on YouTube, you notice that the device is is cropped, or the video is cropped. You can just pinch out and expand the video to cover every single. So what's my final say about this device and what do I think about it? Well, from the price range, the device is okay. I won't complain about the price and the specifications that came with it, apart from the internal storage. But if you're a gamer, you should probably stay away from this device because it won't serve you well when it comes to games. But if you are in love with battery and you want a large battery that can take you for above a day, and you don't have to take in your charger every single place you go to, then this device is for you, as to cover you well, especially on normal usage. That's all I think about this device. If you love battery, this is for you. Don't forget, I'm giving away this device with lucky subscribers. So if you want to be that subscriber, just look at the description below and follow the instructions available there. You have nothing to lose, of course. You might be the winner. Just look at the description. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, which that's where I'll announce the winner of the giveaway, and also follow me on Twitter. You can ask me questions on every single social media platform I'm available on, and once I'm free, I will reply your questions. Thank you very much. I remain Larry. Thank you for watching.